video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair after I posted my tutorial on how I do these, which I will link in the description. I was getting a lot of questions about like how I style my hair and if I could do a hairstyling video. I have done some hairstyling videos in the past, but as for like how I style my hair when I have my heatless curls or waves or whatever you want to call them, I haven't posted anything like that, so I thought it was appropriate to film one. And yeah, so that's what's going to be happening today. If you guys want to see how I style my hair, then just keep on watching. But before I begin, if you guys want to follow me on any of my social media accounts, I will have them listed somewhere up here. I believe they're in this corner, and I will leave them in the description box as well. So with that being said, let's jump right into the tutorials. So as I said before, I have a tutorial on how I do these heatless twist waves, and I will leave that in the description, but I'm just going to gently remove the twist, shake my hair out a little bit, and then this is actually the first hairstyle. If I'm lazy and I don't want to try, I will just leave my hair parted down the middle and just style it like that, clean up my baby hairs a little bit, and that is it. For this next hairstyle, I'm going to leave my hair parted in the middle, and I'm just going to separate two strands towards the front of my face there. I'm going to take a chunk of my hair towards my temple, and with a little clip, just clip that back, and then do the same thing to the other side. For this next hairstyle, we're going to keep the two little strands again, and what I'm going to do is just do two little buns. Only I think they look really cute when they're kind of messy, especially when your hair is wavy, because just the curls just look really messy and cute, or the waves at least. And I'm going to keep the strands in front because I think that makes it look a little more innocent. This next hairstyle has got to be one of the easiest hairstyles of them all, and that is just a basic messy bun. I love doing messy buns when my hair is wavy like this because I feel like the hair just, I guess, like holds into the bun a lot better because the waves just hold on. And if you want to make it a little more messier, you definitely can. You can pull out it, do whatever you want, but yeah. This next hairstyle is what I go for on an everyday basis, and what I'm going to do is just take some hair serum, run that through my hair really quick, part my hair on the side, then I'm going to take some Cantu cream and just clean up my baby hairs a little bit, take some dry shampoo and just spray that through my roots to kind of give me some volume. This is what I go for on an everyday basis. I love this hairstyle so much, especially on medium length hair. This last hairstyle, I actually have a love-hate relationship with it because there's times when I try to do it and it looks really cute, and then I try to do it again and then my head just looks weird. But I'm just gonna do a half up, half down bun, spray my roots a little bit, add some volume, and that is basically it. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Join the party. We're all having a great time, and you should definitely be a part of it. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Yeah, I'm filming. But this is not even straight. Oh my god. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. Okay.